Welcome back to another tutorial, guys. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this simple pocket design. The entire outfit itself is pink, like the entire outfit, and the only thing that will call attention on this outfit is this pocket, the black corner side on the pocket design. So before we get to the video, make sure you destroy that like button. I mean smash the like button. I mean like click the like button. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Just a very simple design, right? So the very first thing I'll be doing is to cut my fabric. I'll be cutting black and I'll be cutting the pink color itself, which is going to be 6 inches by 6 inches in height. Depending on the size of the pocket in which you want to do, you can go. The pocket itself is going to be a total of 4 inches in height and 3.5 inches for the wideness, right? 4 inches in height, 4 inches height and 3.5 for the wideness. So the next thing I'll be doing is to cut my interfacing, which is going to be, I call this fusing or interfacing, which is going to be a total height of 4.5, as you guys can see right here. So I will still be trimming it, and the side is going to be, you can see 4.5, and the side is going to be 3.5. You can see that. So what I'll be doing next is I will simply fold this together into just like this and simply trim out my angle. You can see what I have. So that is the angle. So if you're cutting them together, you're not going to like make a mistake. The two are going to be of the same side and the same shape. You can see that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to gum all of the border, all of the pocket together. I'll gum the black and I will gum the pink also. And after gumming, this is what we are going to be having. So the next thing I will be doing is folding them just like you're folding a normal pocket. That's why this video is not going to be long. Just like folding a normal pocket, you're going to iron it. Don't forget, whenever you're making a black fabric on a pink outfit, you have to make sure that the black does not wash. So after folding it, this is what we are going to be having. You can see that. You can see what we're having. All you have to do is just to align it just like this. It could be from this side, which the black is going to reflect at the right side, or it's going to reflect at the left side. So this is my main border. This is a dashiki. I just finished up with this one. I'm here to do the finishing ironing, as you guys can see right here. So I'm going to attach the pocket, get my center part of the pocket, which is going to be 2 inches between the center line of the borders and 10 inches height. That's from my shoulder to where the pocket will start, will be 10 inches by 2 inches. You can see that. After getting that, the next thing I'm going to do is to simply stitch the black first. Then I'm going to stitch the pink on it. It can be from this right side, which your black is going to reflect at the right, or is going to reflect at the left side. Either one. On this one I'll be doing is going to reflect at the left side, right? So I'll take this to the sewing machine now and do it and show you guys what we are going to be having. So make sure your stitches are neat. That is very, very important. So after stitching it, this is what we're going to be having. You can see this. You can see how simple and basic the design is. Let me say this once more. Whenever you're making a lighter color with a darker color, make sure the black is like, when the black does not wash, make sure you're using a black fabric that does not wash. I've made several mistakes about this. That's why I'm telling you guys to pay attention to that. All you have to do is just like wash it first and see that it washes or it doesn't wash before you attach it. So that's about it on this design. Make sure you give it a like and make sure you subscribe if you're subscribed to the channel. See you on